Welcome to Fitness 304, Walking Fitness. I'm your instructor, Chris Waters. If you have questions or need to contact me, you can email me at watersc@smccd.edu or message me through Canvas. Fitness 304 is an asynchronous online class that will be facilitated through Canvas. We will not meet together as a class. Students should take some time and read through our Canvas shell to familiarize yourself with the course requirements. Walking Fitness is an activities class, and students who complete the required activities will receive full credit. Students are required to track their physical activity each week using a health application. I'm encouraging the use of Strava, but if you have other applications on your smartphone, you can use those as well. The only requirement for any health application is that you're able to upload the information directly to Canvas. You can do that by copying and pasting a screenshot or copying and pasting a link. Fitness 304 is divided into 3 units. Please read through each unit to see what's required during those weeks. Students can upload their weekly assignments using the link below. At the end of each unit, students will be asked to increase their exercise output. You can always tailor your exercise routines based on your need and ability. You can also change the requirements from 2 days of longer walks to 3 days of shorter walks to fit your abilities. Please indicate any changes that you make when you submit your weekly assignments. Fitness 304 is an opportunity for students to get active and practice a healthy lifestyle. I'm looking forward to a great semester of walking fitness. Thank you.